looking at how to get to a lot of eggs in bee swarm. Okay, don't talk. So the first way is doing right over here, Blackbear's quests. Every once in a while, he'll give you different kind of eggs. Like watch, look at what it says. Well, he's gonna give me a diamond egg in a few quests. I feel bad for that guy that speaks Spanish. And another way is it to get a lot of honey. And if you're wondering ways to get a lot of honey, there are codes like 1M likes, which I already redeemed this one, and you need to be inside the club to redeem this one. See, I've already redeemed the code. And also there's 1M members. There's that one also. Oh wait, what? I don't know.
Just like cracking sound?
5M members. I forgot. Oh well. Then there's also oh, never mind, I'm not going to say to redeem those. Those are just the good ones. One of them is some different, but also another way is by is there another way? Pretty sure there's another way. Not that that's it. That's just the end of the video. Also another way is by getting them from either like sprouts, bosses, other things like that. Like right here, King Beetle. I might get an egg by defeating him right now, but maybe not. I'm just going fast. And if you know the song, the name of it, this song, because that's its song name, and that's going to be a code, please tell me in the description. Wait, no, I mean, just please tell me, because I do not have any sound on the songs in practically any games. This is a good way to defeat bosses. Just keep on going around them. Just keep on going in circles around them. But you might die, like how I just did. But maybe you will get an egg from doing that. I'm pretty sure it's not like 100% sure that you'll get an egg from defeating Snow Bear or Stick Bug. Right there. Stick Bug's kind of creepy. And that's going to be it for today. So remember, the ways to get an egg is from quests, and getting honey from codes, and defeating bosses.